What's up guys, this is Den Island here, and today I'm just find this little forest between Rose River and Hilltown. So I like to review this as well. So yeah, we'll have a look at the appearance and how see how effective it is, and was it easy to use and what brand, and compare with the price and stuff. So first of all, I like to have like to look at the bag. So it came up with bags and also a bit of instruction, and also with the logo paper on the side. So I just took it off, and yeah, so this is the bag it comes up, and I bought it on the Amazon, and it's a 17 or 18 pounds delivery, free delivery. So I've got this, which is pretty handy because it came up very early, let's say this way. And so the brand called Zengear, and gear for sports and outdoor, the future in your hands, in our hands. So I mean, it's nice, you know, like it's very, it's I would say nice and light. You can fit in my pockets, you know, like have like a big bags and stuff. So when you go backpacking or, you know, like bushcraft and stuff, it's always easy to fit, and it built up with plastic hand holder, and the blade is black. So let's have a look from the inside. So to open this, see, yeah. So here is so it comes up with two wires, so black and red. Probably if you lost one, you always can, you know, prefer which one you want to take. It's matte black, I like it, and some people prefer the white blades and stuff, but I'm happy with the black color. And the heights, the length will be yeah, so pretty much like almost over your palm. If you get like a big palm, this is perfectly fine to hold that, just like there you go. And I like the handle, kind of creamy, so instead of slidey, this one can just like grip to my my hands too. So yeah, next step will be to unfold it. You press this trigger and then you pull it out. When you open it, just like for me it's like 170, and from my tip, my middle finger right to my elbow, so I would say it's like half a meter or maybe half a meter. And yeah, it is, so it's really strong. You bend it. I don't want to bend it because it's still like brand new, so I just do like a softly bend, flexible, not too soft, not bendy, but you can actually bend as well. And this one you can open up to the next level as well, which is make into like almost a V shape like that. I prefer this, just like a knife and stuff, and you know, and somehow if I need to put my hand down up and stuff, I can just stretch it to the top. To close that is very easy. Just press this button. I mean, it's a nice red color as well, so it's easy for you to know where to press. There you go. Let's get started. So I'm gonna try to cut a dead wood here. That one is dead. So with the dead wood, dead tree, see how fast can this one can cut. I would say this is my second chops now, and it took me about almost 2 minutes to chop this such a small amount of wood. So after 2 minutes, after like 1.5 minutes or so, I'm struggling to kind of feel like doubt about this saw, because you see, like, I have to cut different angles in order to chop it, because it feel like it wouldn't go. So the teeth, it looks big, you know, like nice and deep, but it actually not that effective. Yeah, because you see, like, I'm tired, you know, after I try really hard, and especially I'm trying with different angles. So I mean, £17 for this saw, and I would say if you do bushcrafting and do something heavy, lots of choppings and stuff, I would withdraw this one for sure, because there's no way like you spend so much effort on just a small chip of wood. And next is to cut the small wood, smaller than the previous one, and I'm gonna give this another go, see if I was wrong at the first place. So this one quite easy because it's small, and also this wood my conclusion is I'm struggled to cut this wood, and you see I have to do two different places in order to push it, so I can get this wood chopped. I chose this one because I didn't know what to get, and I'm kind of test the ground first, especially you know, just wanted to see how it feels, and I can use it for a little bit, and then I'll have a little thing. And now because I don't want to, I need this one, so I'm gonna hold this one with me from now, as they offer a return policy as well. But I'm not fussy. I mean, it's good to have use a bit of energy and strength in order to do any wood and stuff. So I will keep this one from now as my pocket knife, and also as a saw as well. And then yeah, so that's it, guys, and thank you for watching. As always, please do subscribe to my channel, Den Sword. So I try my best to explain. And if you have any questions and stuff, please do let me know or comment below. And as always, hand to the head, salute.